Hello everybody, this is your favorite pro makeup girl Nika, and I dropped by today for a quick review of Tatcha. This is my new Influenster box. I just got it in the mail. I'm hyper excited to show you what's inside. Hello beautiful people, this is Nika and you're watching Love for Beauty. I've heard a lot of great things about Tatcha. It is a definitely high-end brand cosmetics, and I've been wanting to try it for a long time. Look at this box. How beautiful is this? Like, I'm already stoked and I can't wait to see what's inside. I'm going to read this for you. This is Tatcha, a talc-free translucent setting powder that shields blue light and pollution while blurring pores and helping makeup last longer. I'm in. Let's do this. I can't wait to use this powder. So the way I prep my face, I have foundation, I did my eyes. I have not done concealer yet because I love powdering on top of my concealer the second I put it on. So what I'm gonna do is use my concealer and then I'll instantly powder with the Tatcha powder, and then I'll powder all over my face as well. And I will let you know what I think about it. But look at this. Adorable. Beautiful faces, beautiful futures. That is so cute. I'm already loving this brand. Now I'm gonna have to be buying everything from Tatcha. Oh, that is so awesome. They gave me a sample of the liquid silk canvas. I'm definitely gonna try this and I will let you know. This is very sweet. Thanks, Tatcha. Ta-da! Okay, how do you not have love for this beauty? It's impossible. I am crazy about this container. It is the cutest thing. Sometimes I buy things just for the cute containers, I tell you. How does this even work? I am confused. This is what happens when you open products for the first time that you've never used before and you don't know how to use them. Oh my god, this is some crazy design here. I am loving it already. It's so pretty. Okay, there's this thing you can pull. So I'm gonna pull it. And then what happens? Okay, so once you pull this out, it comes out from the middle. So I guess if you're OCD like I am, you can just put it back on, you know? So I poured some of this powder on my palette. It does have a color to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it does have a tint. It's not completely white. It obviously applies translucent, but I just wanted to show you that. By the way, today we are focusing on Tatcha and the product that I got in my Vox box. But if you're interested how I did my makeup, you can click on the link above and you'll be able to see my 15-minute makeup video. And I have all of the products that I used today in the description there. So now I am going to conceal under the eyes a little bit and then I will place it right over. And I'm going to apply this with this kabuki brush. It is very fine. I'm just gonna powder right over it. It definitely blurs out any imperfections. This is gorgeous. Let me do the other side real quick. Wow, it is very fine. I am loving it. And then I'm gonna apply all over my face. Wow, guys. That is beautiful. I really love what it's doing to my face. So I haven't contoured really because I just want to be able to apply it all over my face. This is like velvet. I am addicted. It definitely blurred my pores. It has a slight mattifying effect, and I can definitely see the improvement on my skin. Wow. Tatcha, this is amazing. Thank you so much for this product. So yay for Influenster, and thank you so much. This is amazing. I'm super excited. You know it. You can get boxes like this too by signing up for Influenster. Their app is super fun and there's a lot of activities that you can do every day. So head to influenster.com and get their app. Let me tell you a cool part about this product. If you know that you'll be the only one using it, you can easily dip your brush in here because that's where the product comes out from, and it kind of drops in here. If you're using it in your kit, of course, as a makeup artist, you cannot do that because it wouldn't be sanitary. Also, I feel like if you carry this in your purse, you definitely should reapply this seal here because otherwise it's just gonna go all over the place. I wish these loose powders had a way to like kind of close and open so they don't just spill all over in the box while you're carrying them in your purse. But that's the least of my concerns with this product. It is absolutely beautiful. It stands up to its standards, and it's this beautiful container, which I already said, but I can't get over it. If you want to see more Influenster boxes unboxed, head back to my channel Love for Beauty and watch the videos in the series Influencer boxes unboxed and product reviews. Or you can click on the link above to watch a video I chose especially for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is up. Meet me here every Thursday at 5 p.m. Central and 3 p.m. Pacific. Let me know in the comments if this video was fun for you and what else you would like to see. I will see you next time with a review on a very popular mascara. So come back to find out which one that is and if it actually works as well as people say it does. I had a lot of fun making this video for you, and I hope you enjoy watching it. I will see you next week, and now go look in the mirror. You are beautiful.